There's a scientist named Dr. Lawrence Krauss, and in 2012, he has a book that he wrote, A Universe um, from Nothing. And this is the title. And science has a big problem with how the mass just came into the universe. And to solve this equation, the scientists said, well, it came from nothing. And then that's just the way it is, and that's their theory that they're postulating. And the funny thing is that you know what the Bible says, and the earth hath existed waste and void, and darkness on the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God fluttering on the face of the waters. And God said, let light be, and light is. So the quantum mumbo jumbo that they say that collapsed is how the universe came into existence. Meanwhile, this was in the first few lines of the Bible over 3,000 years ago. So science, you're going to start seeing science conceding without conceding. Like we could tell the flaw because now that they're getting more scientific, they're trying to figure stuff out, that it's kind of making the Bible more accurate. It's really hysterical. Another reason I use Krauss all the time is that he has this argument that, the distant galaxies, and we're here, and we live in a very special time because as more space grows between, let's say, our Milky Way, and let's say we're here, the space grows between us and distant galaxies, they're going to redshift away because the space is getting larger faster than the speed of light can travel to us. So they're going to get redder and redder as the wavelengths, and then eventually will disappear. So if the scientists in the future was already post that redshift away, then they would be ignorant and but dominant. And this is how the psychopath is, where truth redshifts away because of bad behavior, the black space or whatever, dark space or whatever. And then you don't have reality anymore. So the reality would be totally different in the far future. And again, God uses these people and trolls them because the way the Bible's set up, it's going to make them look foolish. And it's brilliant.